If you're saving for your future, there's one decision that quietly shapes everything. Roth IRA or 401k, pick wrong and you could lose years of progress without even realizing it. Most people do, and it's easier to fix than you think. Don't worry, this isn't another investing lecture or math lesson. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just showing what I learned comparing the two. By the end, you'll know which one actually builds real security faster, and how to make both work together without stress or guesswork. What most people get wrong. Most people start with whatever their job offers, a 401k. Feels safe, automatic, easy. But here's the problem. A traditional 401k grows tax-deferred, meaning you'll pay taxes later when you withdraw it. And if tax rates rise or your income is higher in retirement, you could actually owe more later than you'd save today. Why the Roth IRA feels different. Then I learned about the Roth IRA. It's the opposite approach. You pay taxes now while your income is predictable, and everything inside it grows tax-free. So when you withdraw years later, you keep it. No surprise tax bill waiting. That's when it clicked for me. The Roth IRA doesn't just grow money, it grows peace of mind. Because you know exactly what's yours. The balance point. But it's not about picking one and ignoring the other. Here's what I wish I'd known sooner. Your 401k gives you employer matches, that's free money. Your Roth IRA gives you flexibility and tax-free growth. Together, they build both safety and freedom. Quick question, which one do you use right now? 401k, Roth IRA, or both? Drop it below. I'm genuinely curious how most people start. Here's what surprised me most. Understanding the difference changed how I see saving. It stopped being about fear of not having enough and started being about building security on purpose. That's the shift. You're not just saving, you're creating stability for your future self. If this helped you see your options clearly, you'll love my next video, how to start investing without feeling overwhelmed. Tap here, it's where I show how to turn that clarity into real action.